Hey guys, welcome to another video here on my channel. For those of you that are new, my name is Lakia and welcome to the Chaotic Critic family. For my returning subscribers, welcome back. Here on my channel, I share planning and organizational videos, plus so much more over on my blog, chaoticcritic.com. The link is always in the description box. The whole premise of my channel is to share with you guys how I'm crushing the chaos in my life with hopes that you'll be inspired and encouraged to crush the chaos in yours. Today's video is going to be featuring my little DIY micro notes. I do have a video walking you guys through how I put this together, so I'll have it linked below for you guys to check out. But I wanted to put a self-care type of card inside of here. So, just to show you guys the one that I originally created, I created it for my mini, and this is my self-care notebook. So I have this, not to be confused with this. These have two different purposes. So this one is literally just scriptures, quotes and everything, positive affirmations that just keep me leveled, will recenter me. I have them inside of here. And then this is all about self-care, from my daily gratitudes to positive affirmations to how I'm feeling to my goals to listing. You can kind of call it a diary in a sense. But I made this self-care sheet here, self-care reminder, I should say. And these are all Happy Planner stickers. And I want to add one to my micro notes here, as well as my classic Happy Planner. So I thought what better way to do that than to share it with you guys as I do it again. So each one is going to be a little bit different, but for the most part, I'm going to have all of this stuff basically front and back in here. The sticker book that I am using is the wellness one, and I'm looking at this one right now and I see that I'm missing one, but I'm going to show you guys the pages. So here's one that has sleep in, massage, early bedtime, take a walk, stretch, read, and then I use some of these as well, where there's be present, daily gratitude, stay positive, you got this, be mindful. Then there's more with the exercise, hydrate, vitamins, no spending, reading, less sugar, me time, gratitude, no junk food, tidy up. And then there's more here. These are a little bit larger. And I do have a flip of this sticker book, but the sticker book is not a new one. I know Happy Planner stuff is literally saturated on YouTube right now with the new release. So, but I do have a flip of this on my channel. I'll link it for you guys. And then this one, I love these, and no screen time and the stretch. And then this me time girl right here. And then there was one that said meditate. I need to find that one because, where is it? Here we go. The meditate. Because I don't think I have that on here. No, I've literally been looking to see if I did. I'm just gonna pop that over here. I guess I could, I guess I'll put it here, the meditate, because that's one that I wanted to add, and voila. So let's get right to work on creating this. Of course, the end result is yours, however you choose to lay this out. Now I do have some journaling cards already set up inside of here. I'm trying to see which one I want to use, and I think this one, without me having to reinvent the wheel and make another one, this is going to be perfect for me to put in these stickers. Now this one, with my mini Happy Planner, I was able to use the larger stickers, but thankfully there's a variety of sizing inside of here, so I should be fine. I am going to get the Me Time Girl, and I'm going to use this peach one, and I'm going to put this right here. And I have another sticker that I want to add as well. And these are from Inspire Ever After. I'll have her stuff linked down below. So let me actually add this inside of here. Yeah, I'm just gonna pop that right there. And I'm gonna put one here. So these just say self-care. Okay, so I'm actually gonna just take some from here. Like I said, this is gonna be a lot of front and back on here, but it's just a little reminder of things to do when it comes to me and myself, and things that would help me feel better mentally, emotionally, physically. I'm gonna put hydrate on here because staying hydrated is key. I am horrible at staying hydrated. I know I'm probably not the only one, but I'm so bad at it. So I'm just gonna put the sticker down. I say in my videos all the time, I like my stickers to be straight. The go outside one, that's perfect right there. And then the exercise one, I'm gonna pop on the other side. And then I'm gonna put the go on a walk. Even though it's in the same realm as exercise, it's still a little different. And then the early bedtime, I'm gonna put there. So there's really no rhyme or reason to this, but I am gonna move this one over a little bit. Actually, I'm gonna move the self-care sticker from the corner, and then I'll be able to put something else on the other corner. So there we go. Move this hydrate one over a little bit just to line up with that one. Alrighty. And then the read a book one is fine. I'm trying to see if there's any other one here. And I don't really see one. So I'm actually just gonna leave that. And then on the back, I'm gonna just be a little more sporadic. So there's read a book. There's this journal one. Let me see if I can fit it here. No, not gonna work there. So journal. Unplug. Be creative. Actually gonna move this one. And then just play around with the placement of these and put the read a book somewhere in the middle. So here's journal, be creative, unplug. Then I'm gonna pop read a book over there. And then I don't think there's anything else on this one. But then there's the choose joy. And I love this one, the be present. So that's that. And now the other ones that I want to add in are here. So, you know, sometimes it's okay to go to bed early, I highly recommend it. But then sometimes you need to sleep in because it's been a long week. So I'm just staggering these a little bit. The sleep in, the light a candle. I love face masks. It's like the easy self-care. Really, really easy. And for my birthday, what I think I might be doing the day of is actually getting a massage. So I haven't had one since, I think it was like almost my birthday. No, it wasn't my birthday last year. I've had one this year, but I want another one. So that's probably going to be the self-care that I do on my birthday. And then I didn't use the stretch one. Stretching is so good. I miss my chiropractor so much. I was so sad when he had to close his practice for his own personal health reasons. But man, I need to find another chiropractor, because if you don't have one, let me tell you, it's like the best thing ever. I always felt lighter when I went to the chiropractor. So there we have it. The choose joy and the be present. And I'm actually just going to move this and center it a little bit. So of course you can choose whatever stickers you want. You can add Happy Planner stickers, Etsy stickers, Hobby Lobby stickers, but here is the finished self-care reminder card. So again, for this DIY, I use stickers specifically from this wellness sticker book. And again, if you guys like this self-care sticker, this is from Inspire Ever After. I will have her shop linked in the description box. And this is a 3x4 journaling card that I am putting inside of my micro notes. And if I want to add another one of other ideas that I come across, then I can add another one somewhere throughout here. But I just thought this was super cute. And here is the one that I created for my mini happy planner. And I will also be creating one for my classic happy planner, because you can never ever care too much about yourself. When it comes to self-care, you never can. So that is it for this video. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. If you have any questions or suggestions, leave them in the comment section below. Be sure to check out all the links in the description box. That will have links to related videos, products featured in the video, as well as my blog and Instagram. The blog is chaoticcritic.com. My Instagram is @chaoticcritic. If you are not subscribed to this channel, not a part of the Chaotic Critic fam, please click that subscribe button and notification bell. And for all of you that are a part of the Chaotic Critic fam, I thank you, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!